Hello, good morning. Today I am going to be showing you how to do a specialty drink with this amazing coffee maker that you see over here. This is the Ninja Pro Dual Brew Pro specialty coffee system. And let me tell you, it is a system. It can do pretty much everything that I wanted to do and more. So, for example, right now I have it on the setting where I can do my carafe, my regular coffee. I set it up in the morning, and that way my husband can go ahead and get his coffee and I get mine. But because you can do the grounds and you can easily switch it over here. So you can see the grounds. I've already made the grounds, right? You fill up over here the reservoir, and you can put it on the back too, which is really good. You can do the grounds, you can do the regular K-cups when you switch it over here, and it's very, very simple to use. And then you can also do specialty coffees such as cold brew and even something like a cappuccino, which I love. It also comes with a measuring cup. So depending on what you're doing, you will use either side of the measuring cup. And then it also has this great feature in here that if you want to have just boiled coffee, just regular boiled coffee, you can go ahead and do so. It is very simple to use. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can see the different settings that you could have with this. As you can see, it has the hot water, it has the grounds, and it has the K-cups. You will need to use the K-cups. And then all you have to do is, switch on the dial. Well, right now I don't have anything because it's closed. But let me just close it over here so you can see the different settings. You can, keep it warm. So if I wanted to keep this warm, this will be the option to do it. You see, you can switch it from any of these options. This is where you set up the clock, the timer. This is where you set up the style, the brew style that you want to have, which is either brew style, classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, which is what I'm about to do. But before we do all that, I wanted to show you, it has this amazing frother. So let me show you how easy it is to do that. I already have my cup over here, and I'm just going to use the frother. And I already heat up the milk. So I give it like about 45 to 50 seconds. And it just creates that amazing foam. I'm just gonna go ahead and unlock it so I can clean it up. And just as simple as that, as you can see, I am able to create the frother. So I'm gonna go ahead and now I'm gonna remove this because I'm not gonna need this. I'm gonna change the top because I'm gonna do a specialty coffee. Let me just move this a little bit. There you have it. Let me move the camera so you can see it better. Then I'm gonna use this portion, which is for the K-cups. You insert it in there, you switch it, lift it open. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the K-cup over there, lower it, and it's already locked. Then what I'll do is I'll lower that down. Oops, sorry for the shakiness. I'm gonna put my cup in there, right? And I'm gonna switch my brew style to specialty. It already automatically puts it in 4 ounces because again, you want that espresso style cappuccino type of coffee that you can do with this machine. And then all you gotta do is press it, and then we'll see the magic happens. Like I said, it does comes with so many different attachments to it that is really great. And then while it brews, I wanted to show you, you can easily flip this so that way you can have more space in the kitchen. On the back, you can put the reservoir. But in the meantime, let's watch how this is brewed. You can see this is changing, right? And it's already done. Done. Right? It's just, it's so easy to do. As you can see, it's brewing that beautiful coffee. And the lines will tell you when it's going to be done, which is great, right? Because sometimes we're waiting for too long for this to happen. And usually brews about anywhere between, I would say, 45 seconds to 1 minute, depending on the type of coffee that you're doing. Obviously, as you can see, this has been done in many phases because I'm doing a specialty coffee, and what it's doing is creating that espresso-like type of coffee that we all love. I have saved so much money with this machine because I no longer go to Starbucks to get my white chocolate mocha. I do it at home. I actually have a recipe that I use to create that white chocolate syrup. So I do it at home, and then boom, I get my specialty coffee right here. Now look at that. Isn't that a beauty? It is a beauty. Now, my friends, like I said, this machine does it all. It comes with the glass carafe that we did this morning, the coffee that we did this morning. Then you have the attachments to do, to switch from the K-Cup. Like I said, from the K-Cup over here to the grounds, to the different settings. You can do classic, you can do rich, you can do over ice, you can do specialty. I mean, it's pretty much endless. And right now, it is 33% off. There's always, make sure that you get those discounts because this machine is amazing. I couldn't believe it. I have my Keurig right next here. Goodbye, Keurig. Hello, Ninja. This is amazing. So like I said, I hope, you're able to get this machine and enjoy this amazing specialty coffee. So I'll see you. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my cappuccino. And if you have any questions, leave a message. Bye.